Sometimes illness comes, I feel pain, and seek the doctor or dentist without resentment. In the hospital or at home, I take a medicine. I search for my strength again, whole and pure. Complete book.